Guys, it's Brandon, Bgb.Productions here. Y'all on my past few videos of me building my truck and putting 10 lug wheels on it and other stuff like that. I loved the wheels and I ran them for a while. Well, they don't ride good. I tried to just swallow my pride and deal with it, but I couldn't. So they're off the truck now. As you can see, all 6 of them. I decided to go a little bit more modest, and I put 17-inch stock wheels back on it and did a 35 1250 17 Nitto mud wrap on there. I don't drive the truck a lot, but I mean, I know mud wraps are a shitty tire, blah, blah, blah. Not really. Probably one of the best mud tires that I've personally ever ridden on. If you monitor your air pressure and you rotate the tires like you're supposed to, you'll never have an issue out of these tires, and you'll get 40,000+ miles on them. And we can fact check that. And I had to get Nittos to match the Nittos on the Can-Am, which, by the way, the Can-Am's broke right now, so not sure where that's going to fall whenever this video goes up. But anyway, I took these wheels off, trading. And when we built the house, I knew that I wanted to get a 2-post lift, or plural, multiple 2-post lift eventually. So when I built the house, then I'll have to go back and find my video of me documenting it, but I dug a footer, I think somewhere right here, that goes the length of the shop, and it's like 18 inches thick of concrete. And I did that because I knew I wanted a lift, and I didn't know when I was going to get a lift, but now I'm about to go and trade these for a lift. So I'm going to skip y'all the boring stuff. I'm going to hook the old 1-ton up to my trusty dusty 16-foot trailer. I'm going to load the American Forces up on the trailer, and then we're going to go check out this lift. It is a 9,000 pound, I think it's a Triumph, asymmetrical lift. It's got a bottom plate on it. It's a bottom plate lift, not a top plate. Technically I could run a top plate lift in here, but I'm just, rolling with what I got. I'm gonna get this lift, try it out. If I end up not liking it, eventually I want to get a 10,000 or a 12,000 pound lift, but we're just rolling with what we got. And just like that, it's about to be an end of an era. I guess I'll update y'all if we're loading the lift up. Well, the deal went through, and now I got a brand used 2-post lift on the trailer in the back. So I guess we gotta go run some errands in town, and then I gotta go home and at least get it off of the trailer and try to get it somewhat in the spot where it needs to go. And then I'll pick y'all up whenever I pick y'all up. So, back in the shop. Just got home. It's been a few hours now. I've got my measurements kind of scaled off of the back post, and it's got like 209 to you can kind of see my marks there. Anyway, I've got to clear this area out so that way I can sweep, get it ready, and then obviously right here is empty because that's the middle of the shop. But I'm gonna clean some stuff up, move some stuff around. All right, so many hours later, and now we've got this. So before y'all make it any further in the video, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and say that I did not record any of the installation process of the actual lift itself. I wanted to, but then I got to thinking about it a little bit more. Lifts are very dangerous if you do not do them correctly. Just know that I went through all the accurate precautionary steps of doing so. As you can see in the video, I've talked about my concrete thickness, measuring twice, 100 times each, all over. Done my electrical done right. I mean, my lift's done right, but I am not a professional, licensed professional. Just a redneck with a shop. So if you're looking for a tutorial on installing one, there's plenty of other people on YouTube, but more or less I was just using this opportunity to document my fun. So we'll jump back into the video. Lifts up. Kind of ugly right there, but we made it pretty up into the attic, ran it down, fished it, and we've got it. And we have got ourselves a double pole 30. Fucking piece of shit. That's so dangerous. I don't know why it's doing that.